Hey guys, today we're just gonna be talking about some things like my CPU update, maybe a possible gaming channel, and just other things. First of all, let's talk about my CPU. So I've been wanting to build a PC for a while. I've had all the other parts, just except my CPU. I've been having a really hard time getting it, and I've posted some updates on the channel. Um, and I'm just gonna tell you sort of like my journey with it and trying to get it. So, I obviously this is the Ryzen 3 3100. It's a great CPU. It's out of stock everywhere, and I found it on this website. I actually haven't told you guys, but this is the website I was talking about. It's called Shot BLT, so Bottom Line Telecommunications, and like I looked at the reviews just to make sure because I noticed they had it. You can pre-order it. Looked at the reviews and they had it like they had it have it for like 105, where no one will have it under like 130. None of the big retailers because it's just like you know the demand right now because the retail price is $100. So I looked them up just to make sure they were legit, and basically they looked pretty legit, except I saw some of the reviews where like it took a while for people to get their stuff, and then they were not, their customer service was sort of bad, but that was it. So I just decided to order from here because this is the only place that had it. And well, I ordered from this website, Shop BLT, right here. I ordered it back in December, hoping to get it, and at that time it's the estimated date it was supposed to be here was January 11th, and as I told you guys, it got pushed back to January 18th, and I haven't updated you guys since then. Then it got pushed back to February 4th, and then it went back to January 29th, and obviously today is January 30th. We got an email that got pushed back again, so it's sort of annoying. It keeps getting pushed back, and I don't know if I'm ever going to get it. And then also, for my location, it says on the website that it's going to be here on March 5th, but then our email said we're going to be here on February 13th. So I don't really know the deal with that. I'm not going to keep up with you guys on this. I'll just tell you when I get it, I get it. And anyways, since it kept getting pushed back, and I just didn't think that I'd be able to get it. Basically, I've been expecting it, and it just keeps getting pushed back. I just looked at some other websites. Newegg has the Ryzen 3 3100 for $140, which is still $145, which is still, it's above MSRP, but it's like the lowest it's been on any of those sites. And then I also noticed when I was searching around the AMD Ryzen 3 3300X right here. As you know, the Ryzen 3 3100X is it's such good CPU, out of stock everywhere, because it's better than like some CPUs that are $100 more than it. I may have said this in one of my videos, but how I thought they stopped making it. Well, look, here it is, right here on B&H Photo and Video, $145, $146, which obviously it's above this RP, but it's definitely worth the price for what you're getting with the CPU, versus the Ryzen 3 3100. So I'm right here on CPU benchmark and look at it. So look at the performance. It's got much higher performance than the Ryzen 3 3100. And really the only difference is it just has a higher clock. This one, the Ryzen 3 3300X has a base clock of 3.8 gigahertz and a boost clock of 4.3, while the Ryzen 3 3100 has 3.6 gigahertz base clock and then only a 3.9 boost clock. But still, they're the same CPU. But this one it's just an amazing CPU for the price. And I had not seen like people had got it like maybe like once a month. I saw reviews of people getting it. So I thought they stopped selling it because like a lot of websites like Amazon and Best Buy, they took it off their website because I guess they weren't expecting to get anything back. So yeah, then I found it on, as I said, I just found it the other today on Office Depot. As you see, add to cart. So what I ended up doing is instead of like just canceling the Shop BLT order and just ordering this, what we did, because actually the estimated date on this Office Depot one is March 5th. That's the estimated arrival date, which obviously that's a month away when I can get the supposedly, if it doesn't keep getting pushed back, the Ryzen 2 3100 on Shop BLT for the next date that they pushed it back to was February 13th. So what I decided to do is just keep in line for this, because pre-order, you're just, it's, you don't, I haven't actually like paid for this on the shop BLT. It's just like, you're sort of just in a line. So when you stay in line, you'll get your turn to get it. And what I did is I'm just gonna keep my spot in line because I haven't paid for it. I haven't got yet. I don't pay for it unless I get it, and I can always exit this, leave, like not leave the line and not do the pre-order if the Ryzen 3 3100 X gets here. So whatever gets here first, we'll just use, or if the 3300X just keeps getting pushed back, because I'm just tired of like waiting months for this. And if like say 3300X ends up arriving, we can always like sell one, because those things go up for so much on eBay, especially they're really hard to get them. So that's sort of my plan. It's like I don't really know exactly what I'm gonna do, but I just had to get this on Office Depot because of like 3300X. You can't find it anywhere. Have not been able to find it anywhere for months, like ever since its launch. So I just, I had to take this chance. I had to get this because I'm not missing out on this chance to get this. So I may use either the CPUs. It just depends like when they get here, because who knows, the Ryzen 3 3300X could get pushed back. I'm not sure. I'll decide later. But I'll be using one of those two CPUs in my build. I didn't post a video last week because I was planning to build it, but then the CPU didn't come. But yeah, that's sort of the deal with that. So when I get the CPU, when I get one of these, as I said, I don't know which one I'm gonna choose. I will tell you guys, and build the PC. So just some other things. Just some other things I'm looking forward to. So really, I was looking forward to building this, but I got one other thing I'm looking forward to. You might not be interested in this kind of stuff, but Super Mario 3D World is getting a reboot on the Nintendo Switch. That's what I have. I'm excited for that. If you didn't hear about that, it's been, they said this month, like a few months ago, that they're rebooting it on the Switch. It's plus Bowser's Fury, Super Mario 3D World, and that was just like my favorite game. I used to have a Wii U, and I loved playing that game, so I'm super excited for that. I got it pre-ordered on Amazon because I want like a physical copy. I can't wait to play that. Something to look forward to, since this PC build's not working out like I wanted to. So really, that leads me to like, if you guys want to see me play it, because I'm thinking about like making a gaming channel. I know my comments keep getting turned off in my videos. So you might not be able to comment immediately, but like, just comment below what you guys want me to do. Do you guys want me to like create a new gaming channel, or just post gaming videos on this channel, or just not post gaming videos at all? Because obviously this is more of a tech focused channel, but then I want to do some of that gaming stuff. So and it's just hard to post on two channels, so I might just decide to post gaming and tech videos on this channel, the BoxTurtle channel. So just tell me what you guys think about that. I may play various games like Minecraft, and maybe some Rocket League, Battlefront when I build my PC. So if if you guys want to see me like do unboxing my parts or whatever, you guys you're just showing off my parts for my PC, right? I have them back there. Then you guys just tell me in the comments section down below. Again, sorry if the comments get turned off. Within 20 minutes of the videos I'll be posting, the comments will definitely be working, because I have to like re-enable them twice to get them to work. So this was sort of just an announcement video, because I can't do much till I start building my PC, because I was planning to make a whole bunch of videos when I built my PC. So yeah, just live stream my PC build when I get the CPU. I don't know when, and from now on I'll just try to post about every week. Yeah, so thank you for watching. Subscribe if you want to see my PC build, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.